Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to be upgrading the dome lights in the 10th generation Honda Accord. So as you can see, the standard lights in the overhead console are yellow halogen. So I'm going to be switching them out for these Oxido LED lights. So these are T10 size. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. It's actually super easy. Probably one of the the quickest upgrades you can do. So you're going to need a little plastic pry tool like this. You're just going to go in here and squeeze through the back, apply a little bit of pressure, and you can just pull these out like this. Just be a little bit careful, you don't want to break these the plastic bits over here. So that's really hot actually. So here's the bulb. So it's just a regular T10 halogen one, and I'm going to be replacing with these. So as you can see, these are all LED. So you're just going to go in, and it goes up this way with the side sort of being vertical. I'm just going to stick it up there, and then I can test it. There you go, it works. So you can already just see such a big difference. And then this, I'm just going to put this in like this, apply a little bit of pressure, not too much. And there you go. Look at that. That's a big difference right over there already. Okay, so that's one side done. I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. I'm going to sort of squeeze in there. Pull. These halogen bulbs get really hot really quick. There's the replacement. Stick that in there. Make sure it works. Yes, it works. And then back in here. There we go. So as you can see, that makes a huge difference. All right, so that's the front. I'm also going to do the same thing for the back. Just going to have to open a new pack. All right, take one out, and then I'll see you guys in the back seats. So here we are on the back seat. So same thing, just use your pry tool. You're gonna try to squeeze in between the plastic over here and the lens. It's pretty. This one's actually probably easier than the front. And okay, so this. Get my finger on it. All right, here we go. So it's in this way. So you're just gonna pull it out. Apply a little bit of pressure. Just want to be careful you don't apply too much pressure. And then just gonna slot that in. That doesn't work. It's the wrong bulb. Let's see. Oh no, it does work. I lied. All right, so I guess I had it going in like backwards or something like that. So you may have to like test that out. Yeah, okay. And then I'm just gonna put this back on. So you've got these two little plastic bits over here. You can just slot these right in, apply a little bit of pressure, and that's it. And you can just see that makes such a big difference when compared to the halogen. So anyways, guys, like I said, super easy. I'll try to link the LED bulbs that I got in the description below. They're about like $10 on Amazon for like a 10-pack. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions or anything like that, mention them in the comments below, and I'll definitely try to get back to you. That's it. See you in the next one, in the next video, guys. Thanks.